Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina, just bringing you a little business tidbit that might help you enhance your gift basket business. I found these little gift boxes on Temu, and they're very small gift boxes. I use them as tags for items that I sell, whether it's a gift basket or just a gift. You simply just open it up and fold it on its creases. And once you get it folded there, you're going to lock that bottom in. And it's just a regular, folds just like a regular cake box. And once you get the bottom locked in, you can use tape on the top or stick a string through the holes and tie it. A nice little bow in there. The two ribbons at the top have holes in them where you can stick a piece of ribbon through. I also got these thank you stickers off of Amazon, and they fit perfectly in the little window. So these little boxes, you can use some of that leftover Valentine's candy, or you can buy something else to put in there, something like Werther's, just a simple thank you for them shopping with you. And this is just one of the ways I enhance my business. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed and be a blessing.